Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone! Welcome to Daily Life Smart English.
In today's video, we will practice easy conversation to inquire new product.
Stay with us till the end, and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
When you're interested in a new product, asking the right questions really matters. It's not just about getting information. A clear professional inquiry helps you understand the product better, compare your options, and feel confident about the decisions you're making. But in real life, many professionals feel unsure about how to ask questions in English, especially when the conversation turns to features, pricing, or whether a product is actually right for their business. In this video, you'll listen to a realistic business conversation where a potential client inquires about a new product in a clear, professional, and natural way. The kind of conversation you might have in a real meeting or call. Follow along and practice with me. And in just 10 minutes, you'll start to sound more confident and more professional when inquiring about products at work. My name is Alice, and today I'll be making an inquiry about a new product. Harry will be the company representative, sharing the details and answering questions. This lesson is also great for background listening. You can listen while you're working, walking, or just taking a short break. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it helpful. All right, let's begin. Oh, good morning, Harry. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today.
Good morning, Alice. It's my pleasure. How can I help you?
I recently came across your new product and wanted to learn a bit more about it.
Of course. I'd be happy to provide an overview.
To start with, could you briefly explain the main purpose of the product?
Certainly. The product is designed to help companies improve efficiency by automating key processes.
That sounds interesting. What would you say are its key features?
Some of the main features include real-time reporting, customizable workflows, and seamless system integration.
I see. How does it differ from similar products on the market?
One key difference is its flexibility. It can be tailored to suit different business needs without extensive setup.
That's good to know. In terms of implementation, how long does the setup usually take?
Typically, the setup can be completed within 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the level of customization.
And what kind of support do you provide during that process?
We offer full onboarding support, including training sessions and ongoing technical assistance.
That's reassuring. May I ask about pricing?
Of course. Our pricing is based on a subscription model, and it varies depending on the scale of use.
Understood. Would it be possible to receive a detailed quotation based on our requirements?
Absolutely. If you share some details about your needs, I can prepare a tailored proposal.
That would be helpful. Before we move forward, do you offer a trial or demo version?
Yes, we do. We offer a 14-day demo so clients can explore the product firsthand.
Excellent. That would allow us to evaluate whether it's a good fit.
Exactly. Many clients find the demo very useful in the decision-making process.
Thank you for the information. What would be the next step if we decide to proceed?
The next step would be to schedule a demo session and discuss your specific requirements in more detail.
That sounds reasonable. I'll review this internally and get back to you shortly.
Perfect. Please feel free to reach out if you have any further questions.
Thank you, Harry. I appreciate your time and explanations.
You're very welcome, Alice. I look forward to hearing from you.
Now, let's practice key sentences from the conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. I'd like to learn more about your new product. Could you briefly explain the main purpose of the product? What are the key features? How does it differ from similar products on the market? How long does the setup usually take? Do you offer any onboarding support? Would it be possible to receive a detailed quotation? What would be the next step if we decide to proceed? Great work! These sentences will help you welcome visitors confidently and professionally in the workplace. Try shadowing them again later today while doing something else. Remember to hit the subscribe button to motivate us to create more practical English lessons for you. See you in the next lesson!